experience, Toll Group, proudly part of Japan Post, operates an extensive global logistics network across 1,200 locations in more than 50 countries. With over 44,000 employees, Toll Group provides a diverse range of transport and logistics solutions covering road, air, ocean and rail to help meet customers' global supply chain needs. In 2018, Toll won the contract to provide Australian warehouse services to a global games and toys giant, and this required a new, highly efficient operation.
Toll was able to take advantage of one of our 30,000 square metre facilities here in Sydney, distributing to all the majors and the independent retailers throughout the country. To achieve the efficiency and service required for our major new clients, we were looking to put sortation system in place and identified a 200% productivity increase by moving to automation. Swisslog's solution delivered more flexibility to meet our customer requirements. We've also worked with Swisslog before and had confidence in their solutions.
The new solution provides higher distribution volumes of retail-ready cartons, picked for each store in less time, with more efficiency and using less space. Moving to wave picking techniques, staff collect products for a whole wave of orders together, significantly reducing travel and picking time.
We designed the system around an activated roller belt sorter. The requirement of up to 4,000 cartons per hour is the sweet spot for this type of system. It takes up far less space and has a much lower cost than other types. The sorter also offers gentle handling, a requirement which we design into the whole system.
At each in-feed station, staff manually depalletise cartons and place them on Swisslog's quick move conveyor. Cartons are automatically scanned and labelled at high speed, and then merged onto an activated roller belt sorter. The sorter's control system activates the rollers underneath, smoothly delivering the carton to the 20 dispatch lanes. Sensors along each dispatch lane activate warning lights, signalling to warehouse staff which lanes need attention. The entire system is managed by Swisslog's Sync warehouse system, which takes customer orders from Toll's supply chain system and coordinates all the equipment and controls of the automated operation, delivering efficiency, speed and accuracy. This includes spreading cartons across dispatch lanes to maximise efficiency. The project had to be delivered in an existing warehouse, which involved isolating the sorter area while it was installed and commissioned. Despite this restriction, the project delivery was well managed and warehouse operations could continue.
Our initial startup has shown that the system is achieving even better productivity than anticipated. Getting through the picking wave faster means we can offer our customers a later cut-off time for orders. We are anticipating getting more out of the system, working with Swisslog as a long-term